In this video, I am going to show some shortcut commands which are very useful for your day-to-day CAD work. Type the survey command, press enter, then click on the help icon. Here you will be able to see all the shortcut commands. Now we will see one by one. Okay, first command ZX. See, this command is used for reduce the view size. You can press ZX keep on to reduce the view size. Next I will show you the command ZY. It is used to increase the view size. Okay, now I type the command ZY, then press enter. So you can press enter repeatedly to reach the required zoom level. See, the drawing gets zoom in automatically by pressing enter. Now we will see the command ZY. This command is used to view the entire drawing on the screen. Just type the command ZE and then press enter. Now you will be able to see the complete drawing on the screen. That's it. Now we will see the command ZW. ZW is used to view the particular area. Type the command ZW. Specify the first corner. I will select the first corner here and specify the opposite corner. Here I will select the opposite corner. Click it. See, now you will be able to see the particular area on the screen. This is the use of ZW command. To bring the cursor position normal, just simply type the 0 command and then press enter. That's it. Your cursor is resetted automatically. Next we will see the command E0. This command is used to set the elevation as a 0 for selected objects. For example, I want to join these three lines. For that I use the command J and select these objects and press enter. See, only these two objects gets joined. Why? Because it is not joined. This has different elevation. That is the reason I am unable to join these lines. For that I will use the command E0. E0, press enter and select these objects. Now you use the join command to join these objects. See, now these objects are joined successfully. You will see the command E0. For example, I want to join these three lines. For that I type the command J and then press enter. I will select these three lines. See, now I will check it. See, only these two lines are joined properly. It is not joined. Why? Because it has some different elevation than these two lines. For that we will use the command E0 and press enter and select these lines. Now use the command join and select these objects. See, now successfully joined. Next we will see the command PFX. PFX means prefix for the text objects. Now I type the command PFX. Okay, then press enter. For example, I select a few text objects. Press enter. Type the required prefix. For example, I type as a L colon and then press enter. The prefix is added for the selected text objects. Next we will see the command EDT. For that I type some text. Type RC and then press enter. Boundary So this text I want to align for this line segment. For that I use EDT command. Select the text, give reference point. First point is here and another point is here. Now we can move the text closer to the line segment by using the M command. That's it. Similarly, we use the command s of x for to add the suffix value. Type the command s of x, press enter, select the required text objects and press enter. For example, I need a suffix x m and then press enter. Now you will be able to see the m as a suffix for the selected text objects.